Alright people, we made it to Nassau. So yeah, I'm about to meet up with my family. We're gonna go downstairs to deck 0, get off the boat. Then here at this location, there's a lot of like souvenir stores and stuff. There's a pier to walk. So we're just gonna walk that pier and have a good time. But hey look, that's Disney right next to us. That's so cool. Let me start by just saying that this place is beautiful. When you get off the boat, there's a tourist area where you can find entertainment, drinks, food, and even some locals who are willing to give tours. We were lucky enough to see some key locations, and I'm going to take you guys along with us. We here for real. What's up, cousin? Hey. Jacobo. Boogie. So this is the second time and then the kids' time. Now it's time for a Bohemian trivia crash course.
You said 700 islands? Yeah, 700 islands. Yeah. So in the Bahamas, remember that the Bahamas has 700 islands. Wow.
Including keys. 700
so Nassau is the capital. It's like Washington, D.C., which is the capital state. Nassau is the capital island. Nassau carries 240,000 people. So that's half of the island. Yeah. That's why the island is sinking now, because we have too much people.
Wow.
You see this water here?
Yeah. That's not from the hurricane?
No, this is just for the rain. It can rain for an hour, and we will have like the water going all the way into the stores.
Oh my goodness. So what are you going to do?
First stop on the tour was the rum cake factory in town. 10 out of 10 experience. They gave out free samples and I even took some home. After that, we stopped by the Coral Atlantis Hotel, and they had so many premium locations. I had to stop and ask my cousins how they were feeling so far. All right, Naomi, what's good? How you feeling?
Good.
Good. You enjoying the trip?
Yes.
What's up? What's your favorite part about the Bahamas?
Gucci.
So we're gonna keep, you said the Gucci store?
Yeah.
The Gucci store is your favorite?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Boogie, how you feeling today, man?
Good.
Good. How you liking this trip, man?
It's nice.
It's nice.
I need some more water.
What's your favorite part about the Bahamas?
The rum cake.
The rum cake? Man, the culture right there, yes sir. After our break, we took a trip down to the casino. This place had amazing art pieces and was really vibrant too.
We catch the boat to the island. And then on the outer lane is the fishing boat. Okay. In the Bahamas, we are known for fishing. So fishing is big in the Bahamas.
The views of the beach was breathtaking. Once we stepped out, the air was amazing and crisp. We took pictures in front of a historic cannon that was used to fend off pirates, then enjoyed time at the beach while our food was being prepared. This little guy hopped around to join us for the meal. Okay, these are Caribbean cronk fried fritters. They are filled with dough, peppers, and cronk, which is like a snail, which is a bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm telling you guys, my whole family of picky eaters tried them out and loved them. Definitely try it if you ever get the chance. Alright guys, this is Queen Victoria's staircase. Our tour guide said that it was made by hundreds of slaves who were freed by Queen Victoria, and I believe after her death, they came back here, and this whole cavern, this whole thing was just one single rock. They chiseled it by hand. That's crazy. It was built in the late 18th century and is named after Queen Victoria, the famous British monarch. The staircase is made of limestone and was originally carved by slaves to connect the fort at the top of the hill with the city down below. Now we head back to the ship.
What is the fruit hanging on the trees?
That's avocado.
Avocado? Did you see them? There was some avocados back there. I was like, oh yeah?
Yeah, we produce a lot of avocado, banana, mango, pineapple. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Sugar cane, all those things. This tower produced 85,000 gallons of water around the city of Nassau.
Wow.
So you can see the pump in the back of it.
Yeah, right there.
It stands 216 feet above sea level. So right now, we are sitting on the highest hill of Nassau. So we are very flat, so this is the highest peak. And this is a fort.
A fort?
Yeah. You know, like they used to protect the island from pirates. It's known as Fort Castle.
The last stop on the tour was the straw market, right next to the ship. There's so many different things all around this place. This is definitely the souvenir spot. I even sat down to get some Bohemian braids. Nothing too crazy, but for the experience, I got another 2 braid. After that, we returned to the ship to finish out our day. It's so amazing to look back out into the city that we just explored and revel in its beauty and culture. The captain did a sick maneuver backing out of the port and turning the ship around, and now we're off to our next destination. Goodbye, Nassau, and thanks for the adventure. I'll never forget it.
Oh, like that.
After the movie night, we made some friends. I really love the cruise environment because it's really just a bunch of people looking to have a good time. It's party vibes day and night. What's up, Tamar? We made some new friends out here.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel? Oh,
Yeah, I got YouTube. No, y'all got the girls all hiding on the other side of the pool.
What do you mean? I'm not even in the water all the way.
Touch your toes.
Hey, they need a TV show. They need a TV show for real. Some Kool-Aid connoisseurs. All right, what's up? Grape?
I like grape. I like lemonade. I like watermelon.
Like grape. Orange is disgusting. Hey, can we all agree that the base of any combination is always gonna be lemonade first, and then whatever the hell you like.
Exactly.
Lemonade is for everything. Watermelon. Watermelon. He said grape. He said watermelon.
Watermelon does.